magandang umaga, hapon, ng gabi sa inyo mga kasando. Nahanap ko na po kung sinong pinaka-weirdong YouTuber. So, sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, idol ko po si DJ Loves Turbo. At ito si DJ Loves Turbo.
Hey, are you gonna
Siya, pero hindi po siya yung weirdo. Ito yung pinaka-weirdo!
Happy birthday, DJ Loves Turbo.
Yung Tinaglalagay siya ng microphone. Hardcore? Hardcore, okay. Nakalaro naman ako ng hardcore. Di ko lang kina-content eh.
To get out of that factory and find out what he...
Never let DJ Loves Turbo.
CG Duke yung pangalan niya. CG Duke. Ito yung una niyang channel. Ito. Tingnan nga natin.
You! What are you making? Oh! No! You! What are you making?
Ito yung mga ano ba yan? Oh!
Don't cry, little monster. Uncle Munger's got enough carrot puree to feed you your
Ano?
entire life.
Ito na!
Hey guys, CJ Duck here. Serious video here.
Sorry.
My grandma passed away today, this morning at
I hate CG
12:30-ish.
Yan! Tama!
She was 68, and she was very ridiculously sick. She was fighting cancer for a long time, and
Teka. May...
hey, this morning at 12:30-ish, I think.
Ano to? Ano to, CJ Duke? Ano to? Oh, alam ko most hated mo ako. Ano yan? What is that? Ano yun, DJ? Puti... Ano yun? Ano nangyari sa'yo? Tapos, okay, maganda naman yung bahay niya. Pasensya na po kung idol niyo po siya, pero yung oldest... Uy.
Yo, what's up? So, I found this bad YouTuber. I found this YouTuber who's probably like the worst YouTuber on this platform, and his name is DJ Cook.
Ikaw yun eh! O DJ,
Yeah.
pero CJ siya.
So I think he's copying me because my name is CJ Duck.
Si DJ Cook, siya pala si DJ Loves Turbo, yung real name niya. Pero siya si CJ Duke, ang ginaya na lang. Oh!
And he's obviously, all he did was switch one of the letters, and
This guy!
what is wrong with this dude? Anyways, guys, we're gonna be reviewing DJ Cook and see how much of a bad YouTuber he is, because one of my fans has emailed me this channel through my email and told me to review it. So let's review it, guys. I'm excited, but at the same time I'm not, because this dude seems trashy.
So it's been a while since I've reacted to the fan art and fan edits. The last two videos that I made reacting to fan art, your fan art has been horrible. Look at this. Hopefully today, we don't see any stupid fan art, right?
Why is he so mean?
The first thing I see is this. DJ Loves Turbo fan art. It took me 5 hours to make this. Just by looking at that picture, are you serious? This dude drew me and then drew ramen noodles on top. Oh my god.
Why is he so mean? That picture was so good.
Hindi ka naman talaga totoo. Ginaya mo na talaga siya. Alam ko most hated mo siya. Ay, ano to? Powerbank pala. Alam ko most hated mo siya, pero ispituhin mo rin kami, puti ka. Teka lang, nabaliktad ko. Yun na.
Somebody said this is DJ Cook in Ohio, bro. No, that's DJ Cook from Indiana, dude.
What does he have against Indiana? Does he what? DJ Cook's a racist.
Alright, let's look at this fan art. Let's see what are you serious? Why is one eye extremely bigger than the other? Did I pour gasoline in my eyeball? What the?
And now he's making fun of deformed people.
Okay! Iniinsulto mo siya, boy! Boy, respetuhin mo siya, hindi kanya inaano. Ito pala videos. Oo. Siya pinaka-suck na YouTuber dahil ayaw una pa lang, may TV di ba kami? May TV kami, ayan, may TV kami. So, meron niya YouTube. Una ko siya napanood dito sa YouTube. So, nag-upload si DJ Cook. Ito pala si DJ Loves Turbo. The most hated found daw niya. Pero hindi naman siya inaano. Ito. Anong bully? Most hated nga talaga. Inaano ka ba ni DJ Cook? Diba? Ano yun? Inaano ka ni DJ Loves Turbo ha? Inaano ka ba niya? Inaano ka ba niya? Oh, alam ko, hindi niya ako kilala, pero most hated.
Oh my god, guys. So I was doing research
Ano yan?
and I found out who, the CEO. So I just found out DJ Cook is sick. Do you know what I have to say about that?
Ano to? Ano to? Teka lang ha. Ano yan? Ano yan? Teka lang. Move natin sa aray. Sorry, DJ Loves Turbo. Oo, tao siya pero please, I'm your support. What is this? Yan yung sinasabi ni DJ ko. Ni DJ Loves Turbo na nga lang. DJ Loves Turbo na para daw may poop yung kanyang ditaw. Check, naiinis na ako sa kanya. Naiinis na ako. Naiinis na ako dito sa siya.
DJ sick? Yes! I'm gonna throw a huge party and I'm gonna celebrate. I am going to celebrate this momentous occasion. Wow! Yes! DJ sick.
Tapon ko yung cellphone ha. Natapon ko yung cellphone dahil sa'yo! Ha?
Okay, so we know I have a lot of haters, but there's something weird about this hate. See, I was looking through my comments, and somebody linked me to a channel called CJ Duck. This is basically like DJ Cook, but just CJ Duck. And they said, this is a stupid knockoff of you. Somebody's acting like me? What? And then I saw a comment from the CJ Duck person. He said, DJ is copying me, and he must be stopped. So this dude named CJ Duck thinks I'm copying him? Now, I didn't want to make a video about this guy because I didn't want to give him unnecessary views. But then when I read this comment, I knew I had to see who this was. So a couple of days ago, I posted a video talking about how I didn't feel good and I was sick, right? A bunch of people were supporting me in the comments, but this dude said,
Ha 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 ha, DJ Cook is sick and I can't stop laughing.
that's when I realized I need to figure out who this is. So I went to his channel and nothing would have prepared me for what I found. Please just look at this video. This video says DJ Cook is racist. Why are his feet in the background? I feel like I recognize this guy, but I'm not sure where from. Let's watch his first ever video. This video says meet the worst YouTuber on earth. So he's making videos just like me? Because I make videos just like that. Alright, let's see this video.
Yo, what's up?
Did he just say yo what's up? Dude, that's my thing.
Probably like the worst YouTuber on this platform, and his name is DJ Cook. So I think he's
Kailan ko
copying DJ Duck.
Si DJ Loves Turbo nung nag-YouTube siya. Dito tayo, okay? Punta natin yung channel niya. Punta tayo sa pinaka-videos. Punta tayo sa oldest. Ayan! Nauna siya yung first ever ni CJ Duck na videos. Ito yung pinaka-first ever video na. Okay? 1 year ago! So, ginagaya niya talaga si Ayan na nga. Ay, ko. Nang may nahulog ko. Yan, ginagaya niya. Pasalamat ka pa nga, hindi ka ginajudge niya eh. Pero ako, hindi naman ako nagja-judge. Worst ever videos. Ito.
Hey guys, it's me, CJ Duck.
Hi.
In this video, guys, I'm gonna be explaining why I am better than DJ Cook and
Ano?
why.
Better ka ba dyan? Better daw siya. Putik. Hindi naman ako nagja-judge. I'm not judge, but Pero, ba't ganyan siya sa... Oh, hater niya si DJ. DJ Loves Turbo. Pero, wag niyo namang ganunin. Diba, nagkasakit si DJ. Pero, ba't ganon? Ha?
I am superior, and why you guys should start watching me and not him because, you know, I'm better, obviously. So guys, the first reason why I'm better than DJ Cook is because I'm richer than him. You see all these 20s?
Yan lang!
I'm way richer than that dude.
Tingnan natin. Yan yung bahay niya. Hindi mo ako nag-judge. Yan yung bahay niya. Parang bricks. DJ Loves Turbo House.
DJ Loves Turbo House.
Tik.
Unhappy birthday, DJ Loves Turbo.
Putik. Ano to? Ano yan? Ano yan? Hindi nyo nakikita. Ano tong green? Teka lang. Asa naman yung screen record ko? Galaw ko na yan dito. Pasensya na kayo kung nagagalaw to. Ano yan? Bro? What does that mean? What is that, ma? You freaking shimay, huh? You freaking
So this person just commented. I was just going to.
Putik lalag. Ba't yung sunto?
Alright, so it seems like every single day I get some more bad news. So as most of you know, I moved to Arizona. I moved into a nice new house, right? Well, turns out the house might not be as nice as I think. So yesterday I was, oh my god, it is windy.
What the?
Oh, ano?
Yo, I gotta go back inside. Alright, so like I was saying, yesterday I was just in my room, I was setting some things up because I was gonna start to record some videos, right? And I could have sworn I heard something weird, but I didn't pay any attention to it. A couple minutes go by, I keep hearing this sound, it's going like...
So a couple of days ago, I got a very weird email. It was an email from a random person, but they were telling me that they found the most unhealthy girl on all of YouTube. When I first saw that email, I was like, wait, what? This is weird because every time I've looked at an unhealthy YouTuber, they've always been boys. We have boys just shoving Takis down their throat, just shoving it. They're eating all these candies and stuff like that. I've looked at so many unhealthy YouTubers, but I've never looked at an unhealthy girl before. When I saw that email, I knew I had to click on this link and see who it was. And here we are. So the name of this unhealthy girl is Maddie Eats. This is what she looks like. Her profile picture is her eating a bunch of vegetables or some. Are those potatoes or?
Okay, so balik na si Jiduk. Pero, oo, hindi kita nagda-judge. Ano na naman to?
Never let DJ Cook into Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
Ang galing mo mag-edit, si Jiduk. Galing niya mag-edit. The best editor in the world! Grabe! Best editor in the world, guys.
Hey guys, what's up? Favorite boy here. Today I'm gonna be eating.
Pagkatapos na itong video na ito, maliligo na ako, Putik. Tangina. Si DJ panonood at salamat sa panonood. Thank you pala sa panonood. At syempre naman hindi ko ginajudge siya. Damis talaga siya, putik. Sige na. Bye-bye.